Today, I'll walk you through how to add a social or website link to your Snapchat public profile bio, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to enhance your Snapchat profile with links so you can connect with your audience more effectively. Let's get started. First, open your Snapchat app on your device. If you're familiar with the app, this should be a breeze. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Snapchat updates frequently and the core functions remain the same. Once you're in the app, navigate to your profile. You can do this by tapping on your Bitmoji or the profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. This is your personal space where you can manage your settings and profile information. Now look for the option labeled Public Profile. This feature allows you to showcase your brand or personality to a wider audience. If you haven't created a public profile yet, you might need to set one up first. After selecting Public Profile, you'll see an option to edit your profile. Click on the Edit button, which usually appears as a pencil icon. This will take you to the editing interface where you can make changes to your profile. Next, focus on the bio section. Here, you can paste your link, whether it's a website or another social media profile. Make sure the link is correct and leads to the right destination. This is your chance to direct your followers to your other platforms or important content. Once you've added your link, review everything to ensure it looks good. It's totally normal if this takes a moment. After you're satisfied with your changes, save your profile. And there you have it. You've successfully added a social or website link to your Snapchat public profile bio. This small addition can significantly enhance your engagement and help your followers connect with you beyond Snapchat. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.